In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your rear wiper arm on your vehicle. This is mostly going to pertain to SUVs. Now, a lot of these are exactly the same. They're just a little bit longer or shorter. They all basically fit onto a stud onto the rear window. Now, these get damaged in car washes. They get warped from the sun. So every now and then you need to replace one. But you may think it's pretty hard, but in this step-by-step video, I'll show you how easy it is. I'll put a link in the description down below. You're going to need this puller tool. And with this, you'll have this switched out and your vehicle back on the road in about 10 minutes. You can go top and bottom. You're just going to pull it out a little bit. Lift straight up. Now with that cover out of the way, you're going to see a nut right here. You're going to need a 12mm socket. You're going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise. And when you do go to loosen it, hold on to the arm and turn at the same time. Now with the nut off, this is actually kind of pressed on and you might get some corrosion in here. I like to just put a paper towel underneath and then give it a little spray of either like WD-40 or some kind of lubricant, and then just let that soak for about 5 minutes. Now you're going to attach a wiper arm puller, and this is what it looks like. So it goes underneath right there, and then you're going to line up the screw with the puller to the screw that's holding in the wiper arm. And this is what it looks like from this side. So now you're just going to turn this knob to the right or clockwise, and it should pop it right out. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and install the new arm. Go ahead and put a little more either silicone spray or WD-40 on the threads. I'll go ahead and push the new wiper arm into place. Now we're going to reinstall the nut. I'm going to hold the wiper arm with one hand and then tighten up the nut with the other. And this is basically kind of pressing it down onto the threads in the shaft. Reinstall the cover. Just kind of pull it apart a little bit as you reattach it. And it will snap right into place. Get some window cleaner, and if you got any of that WD-40 or silicone spray on the window or on the body of the car, go ahead and wipe all that off. Go ahead and give it a test. And that's all there is to it, guys. The new rear wiper arm is installed and ready to go. Hopefully this saved you a little bit of time and money not taking it to the dealership, and you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.